Three, two, one. Let me check. First of all, let me check. Mic is check. Recording is on. Timer is on. Screen rating share. Perfect. So welcome and welcome back once again in our daily review, where we are going to review our daily progress about our goal. So absolutely, sleeve page. What is getting stuck? Is this video is also getting stuck? What the fuck is this? No, this is oh fuck. This video is also getting stuck. This is unbelievable from the Mac. Okay, there are the stuff which is ongoing. Not even makes sense. This is this. I mean, it should be fluent, man. Fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Yeah. Okay, what the fuck is this? It's already done. It's not in progress now. It's taking a lot more time. It shouldn't be taking this much amount of time. Alright, so this is done. Da-da-da-da. Holy shit, so we are now back. Okay, so today is 30, what it is, 30 May, right? So already at 30 April. Today is, before we start, let me just check my camera. My camera is consuming this much, which is extremely not good. It should be coming in middle. Oh yeah, it should be like this, but it should be on this side so that I can understand and see clearly. I'm just not using my specs, that's why I'm looking like a fucking alien. Alright, so today is 30 April, 30 April, and we have today's task is 21 lecture and 21 continue, 22 second, 22nd lecture and 23rd lectures, which is we can't do it because we are ongoing of the lecture 17. Like this is we are so back, so like we should be 21, so 17, 18, 19, 21, so we are literally 3 lectures back. No matter, yeah, there is fucking matter, there is some issue right there, because if we schedule exactly on time, then why in the world I get back? I know exactly why it happens, because I got out of dinner and pretty much, and also like I just have the family time, because the family was having a distraction a lot, because what is sister kid came, so I just wanted to do the babysitting of them. There was a lot of things, so that's there. I just wasted 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours, and fuck, that happens. Then this is what it is. Currently lecture is going on, 17th of lecture, 17th lecture is going on. Let's do the daily review of this database. This is what the daily review looks like. Have I done the tasks? Have I done the task which I have scheduled? If yes, awesome. If no, then why the fuck I haven't even done the task which is already need to be done? What goes wrong, and how I can sort that out now. So this is 13 14. It's going to be the yesterday's daily review. Okay, it's come over here. So 14 April. So task name was, holy shit, task name was on 29. We were having lecture 18. Lecture 18 again, it's continuing, and lecture 19 and lecture 20. So lecture 18, 19, 20. So lecture 18, 19 and 20, we should have space, but don't give a fuck. Lecture 18th, 19th and lecture 20 we need to do yesterday, but we haven't done it because, have I done that? Absolutely fucking no. Have I done this? Absolutely yes. It's continued for yes. Though why I haven't done this lecture, which has already been scheduled, because fucking I was working on previous tasks. So solution is recover tomorrow. Do this task tomorrow. Do this task with tomorrow. Do this task with tomorrow. So yes, exactly. So tomorrow. Okay. Just a second. Water just got filled. Perfect. So perfect. So just a second, brother. Just a second. I'm on it. I'm coming, brother. I'm coming. Let's count with 3. Let's count to 2. And the last count is count number fucking 1. Okay. The water has got filled. Now I can have the premium to go on terrace. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is Friday, that means 1 May, which you can see over here. If you just click on this and you can see, like, yeah, 1 May and 2nd May, that is a Friday, is tomorrow is going to be holiday, and day after tomorrow is going to be a holiday as well. So we have 2 days off from our bullshit motherfucking job. So I'm literally going to use my whole fucking 24 hours if I can able to. So I'm just going to do all of this pending three lectures. So like we are right now, so 1 2 3 18 19 20. Yeah, so 18 19 20, this 3 lectures are pending. We're going to do it tomorrow. So pretty much I'm going to start it from today itself. But still, if I just go faster, 3 lectures will be still pending, because tomorrow will be the 1 May. So tomorrow, previous day, 3 lectures will get pending. So this 3 lectures will always be pending until I didn't finish faster. So on 1 May I can able to finish it. Look at this. My alarm just turn on. My alarm just ring after that water got filled, and it has 1 minute. After water got filled. It should be ringing before water get filled. Alright, so this is a fucking daily review. Have I done the task previous day? Absolutely no. Because why? Because we were working on the previous tasks. That's why we won't be able to do the yesterday's task. So the solution is going to be do this, complete this all the pending tasks tomorrow, and after tomorrow we're going to use our time precisely. That's it. That's the fucking daily review looks like. Signing off, brother. Have a wonderful day tomorrow, and after tomorrow the daily review is going to be skyrocket. Signing off.